Okay, good morning all of you. So we'll start the session now. Okay, we'll continue with the things what we left out maybe in the day before yesterday class. Okay, let me start sharing my camera and then let us. I think the camera is visible. Okay, why not? Okay, who will come with me today? Let me just take a student. One second. Okay, there are 48 students. I think I'm audible to you. So just to put in the chat box. Okay, or one of you can come with me. Dhruv. Dhruv.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, where were you yesterday, man? So when I called you, you're not there.
There was some problem, so I couldn't hear and I couldn't see the video also.
There was no video from my side. Only no. If you have such problem, that should be noted to us. No. How do I know that? Okay, you're not hearing. Without hearing, okay, what were you doing?
I mean,
Simply
like times the internet fluctuates, so it keeps coming and going.
make sure that all these things are not there for a long time. If it is something like this, you cannot get anything because subjects are not so easy. The
Yes,
the heat has just started.
sometimes.
Not sometimes. It should not be there. Make sure that okay, you are there in a such a position or such a place where the internet is there is no issue, or you change your network
Yes,
where there is no problem with the internet. So this is not only for Dhruv, it is for all of you. So don't give blame on the internet. Okay, sir, we're not getting this. Catch hold of such a network where at your place you have a better network connectivity. Otherwise, as you know, it is the second week. There are so many concepts being loaded on to you people by all of us. So you have to be on your toes. Just not getting the what video, audio, that is not an excuse for it, because we will not consider it as a valid reason for that we will give excuse in quizzes and tests. So it is for all of you the same thing. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let us start with today's class. Okay, sorry for what happened in your mathematics class. Okay, because of some technical difficulty, it's almost madam could not able to do most of her. She could not utilize her time. So let us avoid all those things from next class onwards. In all of them, okay, let us make sure that okay, all 45 minutes is effectively utilized. Okay, now, Dhruv, are you there with me?
sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay, let me just make this. Okay, let us take out this. Okay, before that, let me just scroll through the attendance process. There are 54 students along okay with me. That is 53 now. Let me just scroll through. It is now being recorded. I think today is the maximum we have. Let us see. Okay, it's done. Okay, now we will start with this particular example. Again, the same example what we took last time. Let us try to keep on building on this and then try to see. Let us say this is 1.8 volt and this is 1 kilo ohm, and this is a MOSFET. Let us assume that this is 0.6 volt. Is that fine, Dhruv? Everything is visible?
Yes, sir.
No, you can. Your voice is okay. Let me just reduce my volume. Okay, speaker. Okay, perfect. Now let us assume that VTH of this MOSFET as 0.4 volt and Kp, that is kappa mu n into Cox. Mu n into Cox is 200 microampere per volt square. Is that fine? Everything is visible, no? So no, of course there can be some lag depending on your network speed, so that I can't help out. How about Dhruv, in your case? Okay, is it a lag, or can you able to make out what I'm writing?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
It's visible, and then maybe slight delay will be there in terms of few fraction of a second. Done. Now, suppose if you assume that W is equal to 500 micrometer and then L is equal to 50 micrometer, can you find what is the value of ID now?
Yes,
Suppose if
sir.
the MOSFET is in saturation region, what would be the value of ID? If if the MOSFET is in linear region, what could be the value of ID depending on the VDS value?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
shall I write it as, okay, all of you can calculate this. Uh, what is this value you have? This is half into Kp
AP.
W by L VGS minus VTH whole square. For this one it is half into Kp W by L. Do you have your calculator with you?
Yes, sir.
Into VGS minus VTH into VDS minus VDS whole square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us use the first equation, because in the second equation I don't know what is VDS value. But in the first equation, to find out what is ID sat, you have everything. You have Kp, you have WBL, you have VGS, you have VTH. Shall we proceed with the first equation?
Sir.
Do it. Give me the value of what is ID in saturation, if at all, if it is in saturation.
Yes, sir.
Others can also pitch in and then say what is the value. So one of your student wants to join the class. I don't know who is he. He is maybe Vinith. For Vinith, one of you can send the link. Once one of your student, maybe a year back student, wants to join the class, so just give him the link. I think he has. I think some of you may be having his number, or one of you can note the number. Dhruv number, not Dhruv number. Who is this fellow? He is Vinith. Vinith number is 94824 29770. Just send him the link, today's link. One of you can send it so that he can join the class. Yashwant left the meeting. Why Yashwant left the meeting? Let us see. Fine. Ah, Dhruv, what is the value of ID set?
Calculating.
What is this, man? Calculator is there. 100 micro into 10 into 0.2 whole square. How much time do you require?
40 microampere. 40 microampere.
40 into 10 power 6 or 40 micron.
Sorry, how much?
40 microampere.
So it is 40 microampere. So if at all, if it is in saturation region, the amount of current flowing is 40 microampere. Is that fine? Now you can see, suppose if I want to realize this circuit in LT spice, I should use two sources. One is with 1.8, other is with okay. Do you feel that, okay, is it in still saturation with this as 40 microampere as a current? If this is 40 microampere, how much will be the drop here? If 40 microampere flows through this 1 kilo ohm resistor, what will be the drop? 40 micro into 1 kilo ohm.
40 microvolt.
40?
Microvolt.
Hey, there is a 1K, man. K and micro will become a milli, no?
That's what, yeah, milli.
It is 40 millivolt. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Out of 1.8 volt, 40 millivolt will drop here. How much will be left out?
8 minus
1.76 volt. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Meaning, does the MOSFET is in saturation region or linear region? Others can also pitch in. What is the minimum VDS required to keep the MOSFET in saturation in this particular case? How much is VDS sat? What is VDS sat here? How do you find
0.2.
0.2.
VDS sat is VGS minus VTH, which is 0.6 minus 0.4. It is equal to 0.2 volt. Now, what is the voltage you have VDS actually? 1.76. Is it 1.76 far more than 0.2?
Yes, sir.
So then it is in saturation. Before I complete my sentence, the answer should be ready. It is 1.76, no? VGS minus VTH is 0.2, so it is in saturation. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Oh, why says gone down? Why?
Yes,
So,
sir.
it is yes. Is it not? It is because VDS is actually 1.76 volt. VDS sat is this. So VDS is far greater than VDS sat, so that it is in saturation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see actually we are using two sources. So instead of this, what I'll do is I'll slightly modify the circuit and write something like this. So this is the improvisation we are doing. It's the same values that I'll still retain. What I'll do is I'll write the same circuit. This is again 1 kilo ohm. This is again 1.8 volt. I don't have two sources, so I have a scarcity of sources. I will get the required voltage from a potential divider. This is what? 1 kilo ohm. So let us take this as what? 100 kilo ohm. This as 200 kilo ohm. Fine. See the modified circuit. Again, this is MOSFET, same values. So Kp is so and so, VTH is this, everything is same. Only thing is that, okay, let me just fold this and show you. It is one and the same. Done. Dhruv?
Yes, sir.
Now the difference between this and this circuit is instead of 0.6 volt one more source, I am using only one source V1 and using a potential divider to get the required 0.6 volts.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is, can you see this 1.8 volt is connected across this and this terminal as well as this and this terminal?
Yes, sir.
Now what I'll do, I'll simply take out this diode, sorry, the resistor and the MOSFET, and let me rewrite only that part where you have that junction of two resistors connected in series. So this is what is I'm just looking at. I want to know what is this VG. Is this VG? Now this is 1.8 volt. This is 200k. This is 100k. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I simply took out this. So if I take out this is how it looks. Am I correct? Then the question is, what is this VG? Meaning, what is the voltage across this? So shall I say VG is equal to applied voltage 1.8 multiplied by the resistance of this resistor across which you are finding the resistance divided by sum of the resistance, that is 200k plus 100k. Correct? So does
Yes, sir.
all these k's will go off? Because this is k here, here it is kk, kr, I will write it as 1.8 into 100 divided by 300, okay, 100k by 300k, this kk will go off, this 0 will go off, so it is 1.8 by 3, is it not 0.6?
Yes, sir.
So you actually wanted 0.6, you actually used a different power supply. So because I don't have too many power supplies, I don't want to use too many power supplies, I will derive the voltage from an available power supply. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So does this connection same as this connection now? So does the same 40 microampere flow here, or will it be different? Dhruv?
Different.
Will it be different? Why it will be different? Because you, of course, you'll connect this circuit here. So you actually had 0.6. You are getting 0.6 not by a power supply but using a potential divider. So are
Yes,
you
sir.
not getting the required 0.6 here? You are getting 0.6 here. Now it is not because of this power supply but because of a potential divider. it should
Yes,
not
sir.
make any difference whether you use a power supply or a potential divider. What you actually want is 0.6 volt. So you are getting, you get it by some means. So I'm getting it by this means. It's done. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what I'll do, let me just show the simulation of this. Let me just open the LT Spice and then show you where is LT Spice. Come on, it's here. Now, if any of you any have doubt, you can just unmute yourself, then open yourself. There should not be any what difficulties in understanding this. Okay, let me share this simulator. Okay, is this visible, Dhruv? Simulator
Yes,
is
sir.
visible, huh? Okay. Now let me just rig up the circuit. So what is the circuit you want? Circuit you want is okay, F2, no? F2 is okay. Let me just open. Okay, this is F2. You need MOSFET NMOS4, no?
Yes, sir.
Let me take NMOS4. This is there, and then let me take the voltage source. Let me put it here. Let me take two resistors. Okay, or three resistors in fact. One here, another here, and then what else you want? Why I'm just repeatedly doing so that you can understand, okay, what is this is not so difficult to do and all those things, so that I can, because maybe for the first time you find it okay so difficult to connect the wires, but as you make the practice it will be so easy. I'm just doing the same connection as it was there in your circuit. Okay, this is done. I'm done with this bulk. Let me connect it to source. What else I want? Okay, let me connect this back to this. Let me have a ground. This is a ground. Let me take what you want, F3. Let me connect this to this. So shall I use what is that, dot model NMOS space NMOS. What are to type Dhruv?
KP value, sir.
KP
KP.
is equal to 200
Yes, sir.
200 watt micro. How do I type micro? Shall I say MICRO?
No, sir.
Then
You should use this thing.
what thing? Come on. We are in a class. Okay, 45, 50 students, 50 of your
U.
friends are waiting. You perfect.
U, capital U
U.
or small u.
Yeah, you okay? And then VTO is equal to
VTO.
VTO is equal to 0.4. Done. We are done with this. So we need to place it here. Let us go to dimensions. Okay, let me right click on this. So this we taken it as 50, no? 50U, then 500U. 500U. Done. So we are done with this. Let us also make this as 1K. I'm done. This is what? 200K. I'm also done with this. Let us make this 100K. We're done with this. Everything is fine. So MOSFET is okay. Let me make this as 1.8. So do we have the same circuit as we thought of in this? Okay, one second. That's not coming. Okay, can you able to see both of them simultaneously? I hope. Can you see, Dhruv?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me make this. Okay, let me run this now. Okay, let me just put this F7 and take this here and then make this. Okay, fine. Now let me, since I didn't do anything, so let me do .op. Oh, sorry. Where is the phone? Sorry. ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಗಿದೆ 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 okay, sorry. Now could we able to have the same circuit over here?
Yes, sir. It's
The
the
same
same.
circuit. Okay, what I'll do, I'll not do .op. Instead I will do what? .tran. So so that I can able to notice the current and all those things. How do I do dot tran? Go to edit simulation command. This is transient, make it as 1 millisecond, 0, then 1 micro, done. Of course, you'll be get used to all these things as the time goes by. Now I'm simulating, so let me see what is the voltage here. How much the voltage you're expecting as per the calculation?
0.6.
0.6. Let us see here. Do you have 0.6 here?
Yes.
Perfect, 600 millivolt. You can see you could able to get this without using a power supply, that is one more power supply. You could able to derive that 0.6 from a 1.8 volt source, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you are reusing the same voltage source for some other purpose. So here this was for on the drain side, here you are using it for the gate side. Fine. What are the current we are looking through this?
40
40 ampere?
microampere.
Microampere, that's fine. Can you see, is it 40 microampere? Where is this? This is this. Can you see here? Dhruv? Here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bottom, right bottom. It is 40 microampere. Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Fine,
How much
sir.
the voltage here at drain?
40 milli.
A voltage. At the drain. It's not across R1. See here, across R1 is different, at drain is different. Because at drain you have 1.8 minus the drop, 40 millivolt. So how much you'll get here?
1.76.
1.76. Can you see the same thing is here? 1.76. See here?
Yes, sir.
How much is across this resistor? How do I measure? Since it is differential, I need to measure it this way. Can you see how much is that? 40 millivolt.
40 millivolt. Yes, sir.
Everything verified?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us take one more student with me. What I'll do? Okay, let us. Thank you, Dhruv, for being with me. Vilas, come on. Vilas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Now, what I'll do, I'll make the slight modification in the circuit. I'll make this resistor as 50k. What do you think? What will happen? I'll make it 50. Sorry, numlock is there. 50k. Yeah. What is the impact of making that 100k to 50k?
Sir, voltage may change.
Voltage at gate will be how much now? Now you can see. Let me just make this. This resistance has been made 50k. What is the impact of this on VG? So now this will become 50k, no? This will become 50k. So it is it now? Is VG is equal to? Sorry. Is VG is equal to 1.8 multiplied by 50k by 250k?
Yes, sir.
This kk will go off. This 0 will go off. So is it now
0.36.
0.36 volt? So what will be the current now? So in this, what will be the current? Earlier we had 40 microampere. What will be the current now? No, you have to keep all these things in mind. You are using a MOSFET. MOSFET should require some voltage to turn on. So there is some voltage required to keep it in saturation, linear, all those things. Now with 0.36 volt at gate, which is equal to VGS, and VTH is equal to 0.4 volt. Now talk about the condition of operation.
Sir, VGS is less than VTH, sir.
So
it will be off.
it will be off. What will be the current you are expecting?
0.
What will be the current you are expecting?
Sir, it is off now, sir. So current.
How much? You should expect
0.
something, no?
0.
It should be 0. Ideally 0. Shall we do that?
Yes, sir.
We'll run it and see what happens. See, you can see how much is I of R1. I of R1, where is I of R1? Let me just take out this. You can see it is 3.61 picoampere. It is off.
Yes, sir.
Because pico is 10 power minus 16.
Yes, sir.
It's of no use, because picoampere of current you cannot use it for any application. So this says that MOSFET is in off condition. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So if it is in off condition, what will be this drop? This drop across R1. 0. Entire
Yes,
1.8 volt is across this. Since the MOSFET is off, you cannot talk about linear saturation, all those things. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the impact of change in resistance on the entire operation of the circuit?
Yes, sir. We could see.
So I'll make this 200k. What will happen now?
So now VG will change to
Give me what is the what VG. Can you tell me whether the MOSFET is still in linear or saturation region?
1.8 into 200 by
400.
400.
It is 0.9.
Yes, sir.
200 by 400 is 0.5. No? 0.5 into 1.8. Sorry, 0.5 into 1.8 is 0.9 volts.
0.3 we will get, sir, VG.
VG is 0.9. No.
No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
VG minus VTH will get 0.9 minus 0.4.
0.5. So
Yes, sir. 0.
okay, now with we named it as what is VG now? VG is equal to 1.8 into 200k by 400k. Am I correct? This kk will go off, this and this will go off. It is now 0.9 volt. Correct? What is VDS sat now?
VDS sat is equal to 0.5.
5 volt. Correct? Now, can we verify what may be the current that is flowing, man? Now, for this to be in saturation, suppose if it is in saturation, what can be the current that may flow? Can you able to zoom this whatever I'm writing? Is it zoomable?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because I could able to get a complaint in your match class. Okay, it's unable to zoom and all those things. Is it fine with all of you?
So now we could.
You can zoom it. Okay, now half Kp W by L VGS minus VTH whole square. How much is this? How much will be this? If at all, if the MOSFET is in saturation. Now substitute all these values. VGS you know, VTH you know Kp you know W by L.
1.6 micro, sir.
Hey, no, it can't be micro. How come earlier itself was 40 micro, no? Maybe 1.6 millia. Be careful with your what substitution of micro, millis and all those things. It's not 1.6 micro. Just check out. Let me also do along with you people. Get used to calculator operation. 0.5 into 200 exponential minus 6 into 10 into 0.5 whole square is how much? 250 microampere.
Yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕ್ರಪ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
250 microampere will.
Come on. Did I do anything different? I'm also using the same calculator. I'm also typing the same, maybe with a lesser speed than you people do it as you do in your mobiles. This is of course. Let the speed of operation of your calculator be at least half of the speed of your mobile. Then I can get the answer so quickly. But only thing is that you need to pick the right buttons. Is it done? How much is the current?
Yes, sir. Sir, 250 microampere.
250 microampere. Now, with this as 250 microampere, do I have this as my circuit? Sorry, this is 1k, 200k, 200k, okay, 1.8 volt. Is the MOSFET is in saturation?
Yes, sir.
How do you say? No, you cannot jump and say simply okay it is in saturation. How do you say? Because this is the expected current if the MOSFET is operating in linear region, sorry, saturation region. If it is not operating in saturation region, it will be different current. Now how do you know that it is in saturation? Unless you know what is this drop, unless you know what is VDS, you cannot say that it is in saturation. How much is this drop here? Drop across resistor 1k with this current. Hey, how much is this into this, I say?
Sir,
Volt.
250 millivolt.
yes,
See, of course, it is not necessary to always multiply this and this using Cal C. You can see there is 1K, there is a K, there is a micro. This K and micro will become milli. So 1 into 250 will be 250 milli. So it is 250 milli. So don't use calculator for these simple calculations. Correct? So this is what? ID into R. Am I correct? Hello?
yes, sir.
So what is VDS now? VDS, shall I write it as 1.8 minus 250 milli? Is it
Yes.
not 1 point, how much? 55. 800 minus 250 is 450. Yeah. Okay. It is 0.55, 550.
1.5.
1.55 volt. Correct? Is a MOSFET in saturation?
Sir,
No.
sir, VDS is 1.5.
VDS at is 0.5. VDS is actually 1.55. Is it more or less?
Sir, more VDS is more than VDS saturation.
So,
Sir, it is in saturation.
perfect. Shall we verify that?
Yes, sir.
If I run it now, see now, what is the current? See the current 250 microampere. Can you see here?
Yes, sir. 250.
Sorry. Can you see the current 250 microampere?
Yes, sir.
Can you see what is VDS? Where is VDS? This is VDS N2. See here? Correct?
1.55 volt.
What is resistor voltage across resistor? N1 V of N001 minus N002. Can see 250 millivolt.
250 micro.
Done?
Yes, sir.
So, you can see, suppose if I make it 300K, the bottom resistor, what will happen? See, I made it 300K. Can somebody tell me what is the operating region of your MOSFET in this circuit? No, we are trying to explore how does the circuit varies if you change the circuit parameter, component values. Do it quick.
The voltage across R3 is 1.08.
Okay, now that is VG.
VG is equal to 1.
VG is how much? 1.8 into 300K by 500K. Am I correct? How much is this? 1.08. 1.08 volt. Now how much is your VGS VDS at? 1.08 minus 0.4. Is it not 0.68? This is the minimum voltage required. If the MOSFET is in saturation, how much is the ID? It is half Kp. Okay, let me
T2.
1 second.
0.4.
It is 0.4 what? 0.4 what?
462.4 microampere.
462.4 microampere is the current ID set. What will be the drop? ID into R. Is it not 462.4 millivolt?
Sir.
Correct? Now,
Yes, sir.
if the MOSFET to remain in saturation, what should be your VDS? What should be your VDS? Okay, what is the actual VDS now? Is it not 1.8 minus 0.462? Am I correct? VDS?
Yes.
Are you all there with me or what? Lost. I want all of you to be with me.
1.33.
Now, how did I write VDS is equal to is actually VDD minus ID into R value. I am writing a KVL expression.
3, sir.
How much is this?
1.33.
338.
1.338.
338.
This is VDS. How much is VDS at? It is 0. So is the MOSFET in saturation?
Yes, sir.
Let us check it. Let me, of course, I have modified, no? So this is this. So let me just run it and see. How much is ID? See, 462.4 microampere. Is it not same as that of the calculated one? Can you see? Let me just see this here. Can you see, are the same here? 462 and 462. How much is N002? Can you see it is 1.3376? Is it not 1.33? Of course, this is almost there. 1.33. Fine. Correct?
Yes.
So now, suppose if I make this equal to maybe now, suppose if I make this equal to 4K, what might can happen? See now, I have increased the resistance from 1K to 4K. Does the MOSFET still remains in saturation, or will it be different? Now tell me, what is the region of operation of MOSFET? See, just listen to me now. So it is not that difficult, or it is not that easy. How much is the current that is flowing? How much is the current?
462.
462 point something is the current that is flowing. 1 second. I'll just take out this. Okay. Take all these things out. I have this circuit, no? I have this circuit. This is actually 300K. This is 1K. What is the current flowing? What is the current flowing there? 462 microampere, close to. Am I correct? The drop is 462 millivolt. This is ID. ID into R is 462 millivolt. So VDS was coming out to be 1.338 volt. So MOSFET is in saturation. Saturation. Now here the value of R was equal to 1K. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now I made it equal to 4K. In such case, what will be this drop? If at all, if it remains in saturation, how much is 4 into this?
1849.5 into 10 power minus
1849. It is
0.5
1.89, 1.84 volts.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes,
So,
sir.
is this a valid value? Okay, upon multiplying, you got this. But is this possible? Because you applied 1.8 volt. Can you expect a voltage more than the applied voltage?
No, sir.
It will never happen. Meaning, if it is 1.8 volt, if you make this equal to 4 kilo ohm, the drop is no more this. What do you mean by no more this? Then your okay, ID into R calculation, is it wrong? It is wrong because the current that is flowing is not this current. Not this current. Why it is not this current? Because this is the current that would flow if the MOSFET is in saturation region.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, before I go to 4K, let me go to 2 kilo ohm. Let me make it just 2 kilo ohm. Let me just come here and then make it 2K. Correct? If I run it, does the MOSFET is in saturation? What will be VDS? Okay, let me just draw a simple table.
0.9, sir.
Let me draw a simple table. ID I know. ID saturation is 462 microampere. Fine. So let me take this RD value 1K. What is your what is this ID into RD? Let me name it as RD, and then what is VDS and MOSFET condition. Correct?
Yes, sir.
MOSFET condition. So when it is 1K, ID into RD is 462 millivolt. It is 1 point, how much was that? 1.3.
33.
Okay, 1.33. Is it in saturation?
Yes, sir.
Let me make it 2K. How much is this into 2?
924.8.
924 millivolt. So how much is this? 1.8 minus this? 1.8 minus this? 0.8.
0.4. 0.876.
876. Is it in saturation?
Yes, sir.
Because what is VDS at?
0.68.
0.68. Let us make it 3K.
It will be linear.
No,
If
let us know. Suppose if you go by this, what will happen? Suppose if you assume that MOSFET is in saturation, if it is 3K, what will be the drop? If you assume that this is the current, what will be the drop? 3 into this, 3K into that.
so 0.5, sir. What's 1387.2?
1387 volt.
0.2 millivolts.
3 into 462. 1.386 volt. 1.386 volt. This K and
Yes,
this.
sir.
Fine. What will be this drop? How much is 1.38 minus 1.8? So you can say it is 0.42. See now,
Yes, sir.
this says that it is in saturation. Sorry, linear. Why it is
Yes, sir.
linear? Because
Because it's
VDS is
lesser
less
than
than
it.
VDS hat. So when the MOSFET is in linear region, this is not valid. So this is not valid. So in 3K, MOSFET is in linear region means you need to use which equation?
The first equation, the ID is equal to
ID is
1 by
equal
2, sir.
to, okay,
1
half
by
Kp
K.
W by L VGS minus VTH, sorry, 2 times
No,
into VDS minus
VDS minus
VDS
VDS square.
square. This is the equation you have to use. Now you can see, let us see for 2K what happens. Let me run this. See now for 2K, do you have the same current? You can see 462 microampere. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If I make it 3K, if I make it 3K and then run, see the current has reduced. Can you see what's the current? 431. 431
Yes,
is less than 462. So it has
yes, sir.
entered linear region. Meaning when the resistance was, assume that this is the graph for VDS and ID for a VGS of how much was VGS? 1.8 1.08
It's 1.08.
1.08 for this. When the value of R was 1K, how much was VDS? 1.33.
Yes, sir.
So I assume that this is 1.8 volt. Is it 1.33 here?
Yes, sir.
This is 1.33 corresponding to RD is equal to 1K.
1K.
Correct? If RD
Yes, sir.
increases, does this reduce?
Yes, sir.
So will it come to
0.87.
0.876 volt
Yes,
when
sir.
RD is equal to 2K?
2K. Yes,
It
sir.
is here. Can you see this is also saturation, this is also saturation?
Yes, sir.
If I make RD equal to 3K, what is the voltage you are getting?
0.42.
0.42. So this is 0.42. Can you see this 0.42 comes in this linear region? That's why the current has reduced from 462 micro to how much is this?
431.
431
431.
micro. See here,
Yes, sir.
the MOSFET was in saturation region for certain range of RD. If you further increase the value of RD, VDS reduces, so MOSFET comes to linear region.
Yes, sir.
See now, what we are trying to understand is by changing the value of R1 in this schematic, you can make the MOSFET to be there in saturation region, or if you
Linear.
increase it too much, the MOSFET enters into linear region. Keeping these two constant, Suppose if you keep this R1 constant, if you change this, then also it comes into linear region. That is also there.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So what I try to demonstrate here is that for a given value of, you can see for a given value, it's on the same graph. Can you see it's on the same graph? If I change RD value, MOSFET which was there in deep saturation, let me say deep saturation. Deep saturation means VDS is too much greater than VDS hat. This was my VDS hat. How much
Yes,
is
sir.
VDS hat here in this case?
0.68.
So this is 0.68. Any voltage more than 0.68 MOSFET is saturation. Any
Saturated.
voltage below that is
Linear.
linear. At that point we call it as verge of saturation.
Yes, sir.
Verge, either it is nor there or nor here. So it's there at the verge of saturation. So that's what is, this is VDS sat we call it as. So for MOSFET to be in saturation, it should be more than VDS sat. If it is less than VDS sat, it is in linear.
Linear.
Done?
Yes, sir.
So this is how the value of RD makes the MOSFET to be there in saturation linear region. Now maybe just maybe 2 minutes. can you verify what is this current? Is it coming correctly or not? No.
Yes, sir.
Shall we use this equation here?
Yes, sir, we can.
I can use this equation. For this equation, I don't know what is VDS. You substitute VDS, okay, for the time being from this. So what is VDS here? I think this is VDS. You can take VDS as 504. Substitute VDS as 504 and VGS as how much? 1.08 and VTH as 0.4, KP as 200, this as 10 as a ratio. Give me what is KP. So now what is VDS is equal to 0.5, how much? 0.504. Substitute this VDS and other values of ID. Give me what is other values of voltages. Give me what is ID. You have to use now which equation?
The first equation, ID equations.
All are ID equation only, man.
Hmm.
Linear ID linear equation you have to use. Not first, second, third. It is the ID in linear condition.
Yes, sir.
Don't say number 1, number 2. They are all drain current in saturation linear region. Are you getting very close to it? Come on.
Yes, sir.
How much is the current?
431.424.
So good. 431.42. You have to say entire thing, man. It's not 431.42 only. Microampere also you have to say.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise it will be amperes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, could all of you make it? Let me ask, okay, one of your friend to show, okay, what he or she has done it. Okay, Tanuja J, show me your calculation. Just turn on your video and then show me the calculation, Tanuja J. Otherwise, you'll be caught. Tanuja J, unmute yourself, speak out. No, take the classes very seriously. As we are doing it seriously, you have to be more serious than us. Tanuja J. Assuming that okay, all of you are listening to us, I'm not asking you to turn on your videos to see what you are doing. Tanuja J. Come on. Tanuja J. I will note her name and I'll just call their parent and then find out okay, why she is not answering. So I'll go to the core, find out okay, what is the problem. It's not that okay, we are doing some tamasha here. This is Tanuja. Okay, now can I just go to okay, Sumana BM? Sumana BM, why don't you turn on the camera? Turn on the camera and then show me the calculation of 431 microampere.
Yes, sir.
Just do that. So I have to stop sharing, huh? What I have to do? Why there is a lot of noise from your side?
Oh,
Show me that page. It's not visible. Suppose if you do like this class, okay. Okay, could you able to get the value?
so I was doing that.
See, you have to get used to calculation, no? Do it.
Yes, sir.
Do it now.
Yes, sir.
Let us see. Forgot, okay, the operation of calculator? Don't know, no? Have you
Yes,
forgot
sir.
or what?
No, sir.
Then do it. It should not take too much time. Assume that okay, I give a quiz of 1 minute duration where you have such type of questions, then you'll be left behind. Whom shall I select next?
So can I stop sharing my video?
Yeah. Okay. Yashodaram.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Have you done with the calculation? Are you done with the calculation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Show me. Yashodaram. Sorry. Turn on your camera.
Sir, it's asked.
Okay, it's taking some time. Let me see. How much is the current? Yashodaram went up.
Hello.
Okay, Yashoda, how much is the current? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. How much is the current, madam? Okay. Now, of course, it is taking a lot of time for all of you to just get used to all these things.
Hello.
Hello. Am I audible to Yashoda? I don't know. Okay, let me just pick only last student, Sonia SS. Sonia SS.
Yes, sir.
Let me see your calculations.
So,
Because I can't just, as we used to come to classroom and then look at your notes. I just want to do the way. This is whom did I call? I forgot your name.
Sir, Sonia.
Sonia. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
current? Could you able to calculate?
Sir, it's 431 microampere.
Show me that. Show me in your notebook.
So,
It's not visible to me.
I'm keeping my book near to the camera.
Somehow I could not see you. Wait. Okay. Bring it closer. Bring it closer.
So,
Perfect. Thank you.
sir, can I stop sharing?
Sure. Okay. Thank you all. Because of your friends did take time to share their notes. Okay, that's why it took almost 5 minutes more. Thank you very much. Okay, we'll be joining again at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you.